Medical alert tattoos are a sign of special identification. Yes, you read it right. Apart from being an artwork, tattoos have become a means to tell people about a person's medical condition, in case of an emergency. Earlier, people used to wear medical alert bracelets or pendants, but now, many have started adopting tattoos as an alternative to that. Whenever there is a medical emergency, people rush to check if the person has a bracelet or wallet which has a medical alert. Now, tattoos are a replacement to those. They should be made either on the wrist, forearm, or biceps, so that they are easily visible. The design should be simple and self-explanatory. Find some simple medical alert tattoo design ideas here, for the most common allergies and diseases. Aspirin and insulin allergies are very common amongst many people. Their effects are not too serious, but negligence can make the condition severe. If an allergic person is given its dose, he can suffer from rashes, swelling in the mouth and throat, and wheezing or shortness of breath. Penicillin is one of the most commonly prescribed antibiotics, but it's not suitable for everyone. In many cases, doctors prefer giving penicillin to a patient, but a tattoo can prevent this if you are allergic to it. A tattoo will help a diabetic person track his blood sugar regularly. People suffering from this disease need to pay extra attention towards their health, and keep checking their sugar level frequently. Certain kinds of food allergies are very common amongst people. A peanut allergy is one of them. A tattoo can save you from not eating peanuts, even accidentally. Seafood allergy, also known as shellfish allergy, is most common among people. It is one of those allergies which can land a person in a hospital emergency room in case of negligence. Asthma is one of those chronic illnesses whose attacks cannot be predicted. It is not a temporary disease which occurs for a minute and is gone the next. It causes inflammation, muscle tightening, and increased mucus produced in the airways. An asthma attack can be life-threatening, which is why an alert tattoo can prove to be very useful. People suffering from epilepsy tend to have sudden seizures. This occurs due to the overload of electric activity in the brain. A person's life can be at risk if he is not treated on time. A few people who are suffering from a life-threatening illness may record a wish of having no cardiopulmonary resuscitation, no CPR, in case of an emergency, where the heart or lungs may suddenly stop. The patient and his physician have a legal option to order that no CPR is provided during such a time. Warfarin is a blood thinner. It reduces the formation of blood clots. It is given during heart attacks, strokes, and blood clots. It should be avoided if a person is suffering from bleeding disorders, infection of the lining of heart, or any upcoming surgery. Cystic fibrosis is a fatal genetic disease. It changes the way one's body produces mucus and sweat. It affects the lungs, digestive system, and some other parts of the body. A person suffering from this has thick mucus and more salty sweat. Every doctor says that prevention is better than cure, and these medical alert tattoos can prevent a person from getting the wrong treatment in case of an emergency. An alert tattoo on a person's body would be helpful for the doctors and the first responders to understand the situation better. Before opting for a tattoo as a symbol of medical alert, consult your doctor.